The individuals with the most incentive to modify Bitcoin's hard cap are the miners. Changing Bitcoin's hard cap could boost earnings for miners for a short time. However, doing so would negate one of Bitcoin's main investing arguments, its scarcity. The attractiveness of Bitcoin for many investors is its predictable, fixed supply. Bitcoin's scarcity has been attributed by wealth managers such as Paul Tudor Jones and institutions such as Fidelity Investments and BlackRock as a primary motivator for its rising value. It is not in miners' best interests to remove the basic driver of Bitcoin's value proposition. Although the modification will raise miner revenue in Bitcoin terms, it would result in a catastrophic and irreversible price fall, resulting in a net loss of money. The possibility of changing Bitcoin's hard cap stems from two underlying misconceptions regarding Bitcoin as a distributed, consensus-based network. To begin with, there are dozens, if not hundreds, of different versions of the Bitcoin source code. Every node in the Bitcoin network runs its own software that rejects any blocks that are incorrect. While many nodes are running the most recent version of Bitcoin Core, some are still using older versions and implementations. As a result, while changing Bitcoin Core's source code is simple, convincing tens of thousands of nodes to implement these modifications is significantly more challenging. The Bitcoin network's nodes, allowing them to adhere to the same set of rules and reach consensus. Visit bitcoin.org to learn more about the Bitcoin Core project. What is Bitcoin Core, and what is its purpose? Bitcoin Core is nothing more than free software. Anyone can look at the code, comment on it, and suggest changes. Furthermore, anyone with a copy of the code can modify it as they see fit. On GitHub, you can inspect the code. Bitcoin Core is run by WHO. Despite the fact that anyone can suggest code changes, not all of them are implemented in Bitcoin Core. Instead, each proposed modification is thoroughly reviewed and debated before the community decides whether to accept or reject it. These talks are open to anybody, and decisions are made by consensus. Understanding the factors that influence Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin, unlike traditional currencies, is neither issued by a central bank or backed by a government. As a result, monetary policy, inflation rates, and economic growth statistics that traditionally influence currency value do not apply to Bitcoin. The following factors, on the other hand, have an impact on Bitcoin.